Want to access your text messages from your computer? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to pair your Android phone with Google Messages for web. We'll go through the complete pairing process, explain how device syncing works, and share a few tips to keep your messages secure. Before pairing your devices, make sure Google Messages is installed on your Android phone and set as your default messaging app. Also, check that your phone is connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, open any web browser on your computer and go to Google Messages for web. When the page loads, you'll see a QR code. This code is used to securely connect your phone to your browser. Now, unlock your phone and open Google Messages. Tap your profile picture in the upper corner, then select Device Pairing. This menu lets you connect and manage computers that are linked to your phone. Tap Scan QR Code and point your phone's camera at the QR code shown on your computer. Within a few seconds, your devices will pair automatically and your message history will begin syncing. After pairing is complete, your conversations should appear in the browser. Try opening a chat or sending a test message to confirm that everything is working correctly. If you ever want to disconnect a computer, return to device pairing on your phone. So from there, you can sign out of a single device or remove all paired devices to keep your account secure. And that's how to pair devices with Google Messages for web. Once your phone and computer are connected, you can continue your conversations from either device with ease. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more technology tutorials, and thanks for watching.